Why do the scholars justify the difference between humans and non-humans? Where do we have this reference? The third paragraph says that there were similarities found in Smith's study and also some differences, and the scholars justified its differences based on complex cultural factors. So in this context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, comprehensive findings. The passage doesn't suggest that this research was comprehensive. Also, the scholars do not claim so themselves. Additionally, to make such a claim is not the purpose of justification of the differences. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, human societies have intrinsically stronger leaders. The passage doesn't suggest whether human leaders are intrinsically stronger. In fact, the study accounts for the difference in terms of complex cultural factors. So it can be inferred that the differences are not intrinsic. The differences are because of cultural factors. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, to respond to an objection. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that the study by Smith finds similarities between animals and humans. To this study, some scholars may object by stating that if there are similarities, how do you account for differences? Also, the first paragraph mentions that it is traditionally believed that human leadership is intrinsically different than animal leadership. So the scholars that hold this traditional view can object to the study, stating that the differences are intrinsic. For Smith to respond to this objection, they would have to justify that the differences are not intrinsic. In this context, the highlighted text offers this justification because it says that the differences are because of cultural factors and not intrinsic. So it is correct to state that Smith's team justifies the differences because they would like to respond to an objection that is likely to be raised. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice D, greater collective action. The third paragraph mentions that the scale of collective action is greater in humans. So it is true that humans have greater collective action, but to make that point is not the reason for this justification. This justification is offered to suggest that the differences are not intrinsic. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, human survival. The passage mentions that the scale of collective action is critical for human survival, but to make this point is not the reason. The team offers justification to suggest that the differences are not intrinsic. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.